Welcome to the Appy Pie Job Portal, your control panel for jobs, applicants, and companies. We'll add a job, manage attributes, and set up a company. Open the Jobs menu. Manage Jobs and Manage Attribute appear underneath. Manage Jobs opens the Add Job form, title, image, salary, qualifications, all in one place. But first, let's set up the company. Open the Company section in the side in AV. Your existing companies live here. Click Add Company to register a new one. Enter the company name. We're adding Brightside Solutions. Pick a logo from your files and click Open. Once the logo loads, add the full address. Then a short about company blurb. Click Save. And Brightside Solutions joins the list, with edit and delete on every row. Now over to Manage Attribute, the drop-downs for every job listing live here. Open the Skills tab, hit Add Skill, name it, save, instantly available everywhere. We're adding Product Road Mapping, plus a few more. Each skill comes with edit and delete icons, update or remove any time. Benefits, qualifications, and job type work the exact same way. Manage once, reuse everywhere. Back to Manage Jobs, let's create a real listing. Type the job title. Click the job image box and pick a graphic. The image drops in and previews on the form. Set the experience range, 5 to 8 years. Write the highlights, what the candidate will own day to day. Then the full job description, role, scope, and team context. Set the designation and bump up the vacancy count. Open the salary popover and pick a currency. Enter the minimum and maximum, then hit Done. Set the rate to per year. Pick qualifications from the drop-down, multi-select with chips. Same for job types, full-time, freelance, whatever fits. Scroll down for company details. Select the company you created, address and about autofill. Add skills and benefits on the right, same drop-downs from Manage Attribute. Need an extra field? Hit Add New Custom Attribute, name it, and set a value. Top right, Cancel, Save Draft, Post Job. Hit Post Job to publish it live. And there's Senior Product Designer, marked active. Every row gives you a quick view, plus edit, delete, and duplicate in the menu. That's how you add and manage jobs in the Appy Pie Job Portal.